Triplets is an awesome way to work on creating patterns. The goal of the game is to make triplets of different patterns in each of the four corners by using the different colored shapes that pop up in the playing field in the middle. Each bar only allows certain types of triplet patterns. The upper left is the same shape, same color. The upper right is the same shape, different color. The lower left is different shape, same color. And the lower right is different shape, different color. Now don't worry if you can't remember this. Just look at the outline of the piece inside the bar or click on the speaker button next to it to hear the type of triplet needed. To play, click and drag the icons onto the row you want to add to. If it doesn't belong, you'll see a large X, but you can fix your mistake by putting in the correct icon. Just be mindful of how many mistakes you're allowed to make before the game ends. Once you've made triplets in each of the four bars, the computer will check your work and move you on to the next round. Each game and round get a little harder. Fewer mistakes will be allowed, but purple balls with an X will appear that you can use as wild cards, which means they can be used as any shape you want. Just select which shape you want after placing it in the bar. We really hope you have fun playing triplets. If you get stuck or want to find out how many stickers you can earn, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!